everyone, good morning. Today pala is morning shift ako. This week is morning shift. So, yes, and later on after work, I'm gonna run some errands. So, mag-grocery tayo. So, I'm gonna prepare Brian's lunchbox. And then after that, gonna drink some coffee and I'm off to go. Naubos na yung apple. So, may dalawang, not naubos, but may dalawang slice. But at least, nakadami-dami kong slice kahapon. So, I'm happy na. So, I'm going to make So we have here of course butter, always. Here, right, with butter, and I will slice it into two. One will be jam and one is with cheese. So balance naman. I'm gonna make this one. Okay. Half is with jam, and then the other half is with cheese. Here with cheese, some spread. And then this time he did well with the apple, so I'm gonna give him banana this time. And then the water. So, water and his lunchbox is ready. And as for me, I have black coffee and with oat milk. So, what about ready-made? Ready-made food.
What about?
Ready-made food.
Ready-made?
Like that one, you just have to heat it up. Oh! Honey, it's too expensive. I don't know. But I need to get the oat milk and oat milk because I don't have it anymore. Do you need fruits for Brian? Okay. Can we have some grapes? Ooh, cabbage, and I think I also need some pak soy. They should have like no, it's like a pet chai, but they call it pak soy. Pak soy, this one, and I think that's it.
Okay, now let's go.
Avocado, they are not so nice. You know, I'm just gonna take this one. Potato. That's what I like. You just want to try it.
Yeah, I would love to, but
Nay.
can't do it now.
You're starting already, right?
Alright.
Yeah, let's go. Andiyan na si Brian. Kasama yung lolo niya. They were looking forward.
I forgot to bring the school bag.
Hi! Hello! Hoy, Bob. Hallo!
Hallo Stinky.
Nee.
Ja, doe jij je jas
Hi,
uit?
zeg maar hi.
Hey Stinky. Hey Stinky. Doe jij je jas uit, Stinky?
Die stinken dan. Hoi, Bob.
Hoi. Beetje verdrietig.
Nee,
Was jij verdrietig?
Oh, ben je verdrietig gisteren?
Was jij
You were
zielig?
so
Was jij
sad.
zielig gisteren?
Ja.
Oh, waarom was je zielig dan?
Ik ga blij voor papa en oma.
Oh. Maar je mocht je niet van mama naar papa en opa dan? Mocht je niet mee? Mocht het niet van mama?
Ik wil mee.
Ja, maar het mocht niet van mama, toch?
Ja, want dat is voor de...
Stugo.
Oh, ik zie een cookie.
Dat is voor de kleine flaprol.
Ja. En nou, die?
Cappuccino's.
Hier.
En een koffie.
Oh, mag ik?
Wil jij ook? Oh,
Oh, dat
hoeveel
klopt dus
koekjes
niet. Ik
heb
heb
jij
één
dan?
cappuccino te veel. Oh, wel?
Nee, klopt hoor.
Oké.
Dankjewel.
Twee.
Alsjeblieft.
Dankjewel.
We
Nou,
hadden ook een taartje besteld voor je.
ja. Cappuccino.
Morgen? Of gaat het aanstaande vrijdag? Ja.
What do you have?
Ja, als je het maakt.
Huh? What? Oh, what is it every day? Oh,
Mag ik kijken?
ja.
Hoi.
Hey, wacht even.
Ja, ik probeer,
Ja,
een beetje vanaf. Dan ligt hij in een bad van vanille met slagroom eroverheen genieterd en dat soort dingen. Dus dit is een kleintje. Brian. Kijk.
Honey, I'm gonna stop by at Dayman. I'm gonna check for a sleeping clothes for Brian.
Ik ga gewoon doorlopen.
Yeah, half kilo, ha?
Met mama mee. Brian.
He sharted. Baby sharted. Honey, baby shark. Dude. Hayame? Hayame? You coming with me or you're with Papa? Do you wanna come with me or with Papa?
Ik
Huh?
wil mee.
Huh?
Ga je mee? Nee, mama.
Nee, je hebt heel veel. Ik kom hier voor pyjama. Kom. Nee. Nee. Oh, die is pyjama. Dat is kinderpyjama van Upstate. Yan.
Wauw, dag voor mij.
Huh?
Dag. Deze voor?
This is for Brian. Wacht. There's another one. Zeg maar hello. Say hello.
Hoi, ik ben Brian.
Hoi, niet doen, dat is echt vies. Wat doe jij? Hey, echt vies. Hey, come now. That is very dirty. Don't do that. Shall we go? Nice kay nice ang mga bulaklak dito, oh. Pa-spring na, so marami ng mga nice na bulaklak. Pa-spring na kasi dito. Lips. Moy. Uy.
Honey.
Almost spring, han. So, pauwi na kami. Kakatapos ko lang mag-grocery at bumili ako ng konting pajama, ng 3 pajama for Brian. And then, yeah, hinatid siya dito ng lolo niya sa Centrum. Mga 5 minutes walk lang naman from his apartment. So, yeah, we're going home and then I'm going to cook nilaga. Hi! Konting grocery haul lang tayo kasi actually kanina pa ako dito sa bahay. Naglinis lang ako ng konti. Pangit naman kung everyday na kung sa vlog ko lagi na lang linis. So, naglinis ako konti, and then, yeah, grocery haul tayo. Pero gagawan ko muna ng sandwich si Brian kasi nagutom siya. And matatagalan pa kasi yung luto ko eh. So, ito. Si Bryce wala pa dito. Nasa Amsterdam pa siya sa school niya at nag-message siya na baka hindi na raw siya dito kakain. So, doon na siya kakain kasama mga kaibigan niya sa Amsterdam. So, yeah. Let me prepare bread for Brian. Alam nyo, parang nagsisisi ako, pinangalanan ko sila na puro B-R-Y, Bryce, and then Brian. Kasi minsan pag tinatawag ko Bry, yung dalawang na sumasagot. So parang nalilito rin ako minsan. Pag gustong tawagin minsan natatawag ko si Brian ng Bryce, or si Bryce ng Brian. So, yeah, tip. Huwag niyong pangalanan yung mga anak niyo na medyo pareho yung unang letters, tunog ng unang letters, Bry. So, sometimes tinatawag ko Bry, yung dalawa. Kung sino na lang mauna. So, now I have here bread with Nutella. And, ibigay ko kay Brian. And yeah, grocery haul tayo. Oops. So, I have here croissants. 4 croissants is €1 dito. Kasi binabaan ko to minsan sa work. Kasi nga yung sa work namin, yung isang croissant is nagkakahalaga ng €1. €1, which is very expensive. Oh, €1 ba? Or 80 cents? Something like that. Pero dito, €1, 4 na. So, mas cheap siya. And then, I also have grapes. Gusto to ng asawa ko, paborito niya. And then, I have taco slap. Ito yung laging binabaon ni Brian. Yeah, later. And then, okay, later. And then, bumili din ako ng paksoy. Parang petchay sa atin. Kasi maglalaga ako ng baboy today. And then, I have here, mga sliced fruits for Renee. Kasi nagda-diet siya. And meron din akong creme pate, cranberry. Para siyang liver spread, pero may cranberry. Masarap to, actually. Paborito ko. Siguro pwede na yung yung liver spread, tapos lalagyan niyo ng raisins, parang ganyan yung lasa. Ang sarap. And then I have here avocado. I have lemon. Iba yung ang lemon dito is citron. Ang lemon is yung parang, anong tawag dun sa Tagalog? Yung parang, oh my God, duha or something. So, dumaan din ako sa butcher para bumili ng pork para sa nilaga, and also cordon bleu para sa asawa ko kasi hindi siya kumakain ng nilaga. So now, dumaan din ako sa Zayman, bumili ako ng pajama for Brian. Kasi maliliit na yung mga pajamas niya eh. Parang siyang Capri style sa kanya. So, yes, ito lang. Kasi, wala ako masyadong pinamili kasi nag-grocery na the other day yung asawa ko. So, binili ko lang yung mga nakalimutan niya. So, that's it for my grocery haul. So, magsa-start na ako magluto ng nilaga. And then, for Renee, I'm gonna make ito pala. Bumili din ako sa butcher ng cordon bleu para kay Renee. So, magpiprito lang ako ng dalawa nito at saka mga broccoli para sa side dish niya. That's it. So, I'm gonna start cooking now. Okay. So, I have here liempo. Alam ko sa yung nilaga ng mga Tagalog is ginigisa pa nila sa ahos, garlic and onion. Pero sa amin kasi dun sa ang nakasanayan ko, I don't know kung sa Bisaya is meron ding ibang naggigisa pa ng pork. Pero ang nakasanayan ko sa amin is yung hindi siya ginigisa. So nilalagay lang siya sa tubig, lalagyan ng ginger at saka onion, tapos papakuluan. So yun ang alam kong nilaga. I mean, yun ang kinalakihan kong nilaga. Pero masarap din yung na-try ko rin yung nilaga na ginisa pa sa sibuyas at garlic. Ito kasi walang garlic eh. Tubig lang siya talaga. Tubig, ginger, at saka sibuyas. Same lang din naman, masarap both. So lalagyan ko siya ng cabbage at saka paksoy later pag maluto na yung karne. So that's it. Ginger. Yung ginger so ito na lang. Should be fine now. Dami ko. Yeah. And then onions. Okay. So, ipiprito ko na tong cordon bleu para to sa asawa ko. So, this one. Meron na akong sauce ng kanyang vegetable. Ito. Like a creamy sauce. And then, ito yung nilaga. Can I have a piece? Oy, nagkaon na sa chocolate. Papa, ate. Uy.
Papa! Later!
Ah. Cordon bleu and then blanch na broccoli, carrots and cauliflower, and then I put some cream sauce for it. And then nag-aantay na lang ako sa nilaga. Malapit na. Do you like my cordon bleu?
Did you make it then?
Yeah.
You baked it?
Yeah. Yeah, I make it myself and then I bake it.
I think I could bake it a little bit better than myself. No, I'm not sure.
Nilaga, Iligan version.
There's all fruit on his face.
Nutella.
Ik wil een stap moeten doen wat in de middag.
Good? Lekker? Yeah, but you have to take a shower. We have to take a shower. Honey, yeah, Kadusha, going to take a shower, and then after you're going.
Go shower, go shower.
Hi, katatapos lang naming dalawa maligo, and now
Ik wil ook.
hey, wait a moment, wait. And then we're going to dry up our hair, and then we're going to sleep. Kasi ganun. Ayaw niya kasi ng lower. Before takot siya. So ngayon medyo kalok na. Okay. Mijn mama's turn. But wait.
Ik ben weg.
Nee, nog niet. Zeg maar. Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
See you on my next video.
See you the next
Nee,
video.
see you.
See you next video.
Bye-bye. Zeg maar, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey, nog een keer. Bye.
Bye.
Good night. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.